a really exciting day for us. It's our second Clean Energy Careers and Jobs Fair, and of course it's a World Earth Day as well, so it ticks all the boxes.
It's a great opportunity for our learners to find out about the environment they live in, green jobs, clean energy, and they're also exhibiting on the day as well.
Events like today's Clean Energy Fair are important for us because energy for waste technology is not very well known. People often have questions about it, so it gives us a chance to explain how it works and how it's a benefit, how we're turning the waste that's collected from people's houses into energy and to other products.
Because the reality is that lots of young people, the surveys say somewhere between 60 and 80% of young people really want a job with a positive environmental impact, and there's projected to be something like 8% year-on-year growth in the requirements of green skills.
Because we're going into a future which is more based in climate change, it's important for learners to realise there's different aspects of the job that they can go into.
We've had our Mayor and Mayoress in today planting in our secret garden, because what we wanted to do today was to really talk about how we're going to rebuild that after our rebuild in our sports hall.
Work with a number of sort of green employers, and so we're keen to get as many young people who want to sort of seek employment in this sector sort of fulfil their potential and help Essex.
It's been a great day where we've collaborated across exhibitors, the learners, and also the launch of the Green Skills Advisory Panel. So it's been a really good day for World Earth Day, and we're really pleased with how it's come about and how it's turned out.